Hello, trading is closed on April 27, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. We had a mejt target for today of 21.19.99 that was hit immediately. During the day, the system gave us some targets. This one, a thick yellow line, was hit immediately. Here it said ultimately higher prices would print. They did. There's the target. Was hit, resistance over it. System said it was a false move, that's the F, and the move of consequence would not start till after this time. So those have all been satisfied, but usually we get more than the minimum. So we have to remember that even though tomorrow doesn't look all that good for the bulls, there is an optional target higher here. It doesn't have to print, but it usually does. Well, it's not good when you hit a new all-time high and you close in the red. It's not good when you hit the high of the day early on and drop the rest of the day. You almost always get some follow through the following day unless this is reversed immediately by having a gap or an early print over this high. So I am looking for some lower prices tomorrow. We now have 4 failed mejt targets from April. In the past fiscal year, there were only 3 days that had any failed targets at all. This is kind of unusual, particularly when the market is not making a strong impulsive move, and it's so unusual that I am expecting at least some of these prices to print fairly soon. Another indicator I use, here's a daily chart. Here's a significant trend line. We closed right at it. So if we drop any further, it's a break of support. I have this as an outside reversal bar involving the upper Bollinger Band at a time when that band was flat. Typically, this gives a target of a retracement of a challenge to, not necessarily a touch of, but a challenge to the lower Bollinger Band. That's not quite 50 handles away. If that were hit, all those mejt targets we talked about would be likely to print, except maybe this lowest one. So this isn't positive action. Unless it's reversed immediately, I'm looking for some lower prices tomorrow, and these are the prices to look for mejt support, and that's today's call.